This is 3.7, number 2. And this is just going to be one question that we're going to simplify. And the trick in this one is that we've actually got these two multiplied together. And you also have a trinomial times a binomial. And then we have this binomial with a squared sign. What I want you to realize first of all is that the binomial with the squared sign after it should be written down twice so that you don't make any dumb mistakes. All right, we're going to deal with these two in brackets minus these two in brackets. So who gets passed out to who here? This 2x has to get distributed to this 2x and to the 1. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times plus 1 is plus 2x. Now this y has to get distributed to both of those. Plus y times 2x is plus 2xy. And y times plus 1 is plus y. And then this minus 3 has to get distributed to both of those. Minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x. Minus 3 times plus 1 is minus 3. Now that's all of these expanded, and I'm going to put those in brackets. I think I'm going to have to, well, maybe I can get away without making it smaller. Minus, I'm going to distribute this in brackets. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 3y is plus 12xy. Now, this 3y needs to be distributed to both terms. 3y times 4x is plus 12xy. 3y times 3y is plus 9y squared. A little rule of thumb, if you have a term that has a couple of letters in it, it's traditional to write the letters in alphabetical order. So let's simplify what we have in our first bracket here. Okay, so I have a 4x squared. That can't go with anybody. I have a plus 2x and a minus 6x, which is minus 4x. This plus 2xy can't go anywhere, or the y, or the minus 3. Minus, now what about inside here? 16x squared plus 24xy plus 9y squared. Now when it comes to removing brackets, there's one big thing to remember. If there's anything in front of the bracket, that needs to be multiplied through. So what's in front of this bracket? Nothing. An equal sign, which is not a number or a term or a sign or anything, which means that the first set of brackets can actually just be removed without changing anything at all. However, this last set of brackets has a minus sign, and what you need to know is a minus sign is technically a minus 1. So I need to take this minus 1 and multiply it by everybody. And multiplying anything by a minus 1 just changes its sign. So this is going to be minus 16x squared minus 24xy minus 9y squared. Now, let's combine like terms in the whole list. I have 4x squared minus 16x squared, which is minus 12x squared. I have minus 4x, nobody else. Look at it, I forgot the xy in that. I have a plus 2xy and a minus 24xy. That's going to be a minus 22xy. I have a plus y. I have a minus 9y squared. And I have a minus 3. And that's the answer for this one. Not incredibly attractive, but it is expanded and simplified as much as you can go.